Okay, we're doing room tour. Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Just because my apartment is a mess and disaster, I'm recording my neighbor's apartment, who has already decorated for Easter. Look how cute she decorated. Internet. So this is the console. She has these cute bunnies. Then here she has her rooster with oh, how cute! Is this handmade stuff? Is cash khatanka? Cash khatanka? Yeah, it's a handmade. So cute. And look at this tree, Easter tree. She loves trees. I missed recording her Christmas tree, but this Easter tree, finally I caught it. And look at these bunnies. And here she has Easter pillow, eggs, and this one. Yeah. And look at this area. So many bunnies and hens and chicken. And this one. All the cute bunnies and chicken. Okie doke. And that's the Christ himself. What else do you have here? The flowers. Nice ones. And where are the flowers there? You were saying you need flowers. Just there? I brought her gift. Opening the gift.
Շատ մերսի, շատ շնորհակալի, ծերքեմ տալա, միշտ այդպես ասան, ճաշակավոր բաներ մեզ։ Շատ
When my neighbor brought her dress, we saw that the brooch perfectly matched it. We both were very happy. So happy Easter to everybody. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let me know if you would wear such a brooch.